Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. Today we're going to learn about how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. We're going to learn how to create a meeting on the iPhone client. Here we're in the Microsoft Teams and we have our calendar open. Click at the new scheduled meeting icon in the upper right. We will title the meeting, Test Meeting, for Saturday. Okay, we'll add our participants. We'll type in the full email of the participant again. Okay, click here. Done. Again, we're not going to be adding this to a channel. And we'll pick our start and end times and the date. So we'll just do it for the following day again, and 3 p.m. Okay, it's not going to repeat. A location, we can type in virtual meeting, it's fine. Description. This is a test meeting. Perfect. And that all looks good. And we'll hit done. Now the meeting should show up in our calendar right here. So on the mobile client, we can click on it and just view the details briefly. You can see here all the participants that are involved in the meeting. Click the See More button. This is what the person will see in their email. When they get their email, it will be in the body of the email. And the More tab shows if there's any files for the meeting, and then the Chat tab. There's chat during the meeting or pre-meeting. This is where it will show up. And that's it. That's how you can create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, as it really helps us out. We will see you in the next video.